It is fall, y'all. I've been wanting to say that all week, so now I've done it. Let me show you my top 3 fall kitchen hacks that are foolproof. First of all, I make a lot of soup in the fall and then I freeze it. And I always think, I'm gonna totally remember what kind of soup I put in this container, and then I don't. So here's what I always keep in my kitchen, at least I do now. An old nasty thing of electrical tape, but it's easy to write on. I've got a magic marker, and this is chicken and rice soup. Okay, done. Look at how easy that is. Takes all the guesswork out of it. Number 2, I start using a lot more ginger. I love ginger because it is well researched in studies. It's a phenomenal part of an anti-cancer diet. It's an anti-inflammatory, but it's also in traditional Chinese medicine considered a very warming herb. So I take my microplane and I might make a cup of hot tea, and then I do a little grate of ginger on top, especially on a cold morning, and it just warms me up. Sometimes I grate it over a sauce or even on top of Greek yogurt. That's a phenomenal way to go. And then here's the other thing I always have in my fridge, the Kirkland Signature chicken sipping broth. It has 9 grams of protein per cup, per 8 ounces, I think. And it's I don't know, like 50 calories. Not that I really care about calories, honestly, anymore. But what I do care about is getting enough protein during the day from a really source that's easy to digest. Sometimes I'll have this in the afternoon if it's just a particularly cold day, or I just want a little pick-me-up and I don't want to do coffee and I just feel like I'm kind of fading a little bit, and I know that if I get a good hit of protein, it'll keep me going a little bit longer and help me to refocus. So electrical tape, chicken broth, and ginger, probably 3 fall kitchen hacks you've never considered. Enjoy.